Let's check on the weather now with Divya.
Thanks a lot, Amitabh. Extremely heavy showers in Gujarat have caused a lot of damage and destruction. Several lives have been claimed. The situation remained very tense as a flood-like situation was seen in many areas. It rained 87 millimeters in Ahmedabad alone. The worst is now over. Showers will start to reduce later today. However, heavy showers will be seen 4-5 days from now yet again, but they won't be as fast as furious as we've seen in the last 24 hours. In Kutch, the rains were as much as 127 millimeters. Yes, in one day alone, heavy showers will continue in most of these areas, but from today we can expect some improvement, and by Friday the situation will start to clear out completely. In Gajrik, West Bengal, we've seen lots and lots of rain coming in as well, and showers will now start to make their way into Madhya Maharashtra as well, and monsoon has been depriving themselves of this area. Now lots of showers expected to come into this area as well. Now monsoon will be seen especially towards Jammu and Kashmir as well as in some parts of the northeast where monsoon has been deprived and denied over the last couple of days. Now let's just take into account why is it raining so much during this ongoing monsoon season, because other western systems are at play as well. We have a depression over West Bengal, and then we have a deep depression that lies over Gujarat as well as Rajasthan. The wind speed could touch about 45 to 55 kilometers per hour. Therefore the sea condition will not be conducive. In fact, the coastlines are way off limits for the fishermen. That's what we've been told. So fishermen need to stay away from the sea as well as the coastline of West Bengal as well as Gujarat and Konkan coast. In the next 24 to about 48 hours, the situation as far as the sea condition is concerned will remain tense. So all these excessive showers have led to the overall deficit to shrink to about 3%. But the situation in the south is not looking good at all. In fact, the gap has widened to about 17%, making the worst affected. The north interiors of Karnataka facing a shortage of about 44%. Rayalaseema down by almost 33%. In central parts of the India, we've seen that West Madhya Pradesh has gotten more than 50% of the amount it rains. On the other hand, in Marathwada, it's rained 50% lesser than it usually rains. In the north part of the country, we were expecting the monsoon to perform the least. However, here there's a surplus. In the east and the northeast, the loss is now being suffered by almost 8%. That's the latest on the weather, but Gargi will be here with a whole lot more.